Hello everybody, I am Akash. Now I am going to explain Karnaugh map and Queen-Mikulski method under the analog and digital electronics subject. The first concept is Karnaugh map and second concept is Queen-Mikulski method. Karnaugh map is actually called as K-map and Queen-Mikulski method is called as QM map. QM method, or it is also called as method of time integrates. First of all, now I am going to explain K-map, Karnaugh map. Actually, what is the importance of Karnaugh map means, or otherwise, what is the meaning of K-map means? K-map, it is used to simplify the Boolean algebraic function or Boolean expression, or to minimize the Boolean expression. We are going to explain K-map. We are going to use the K-map for minimizing or simplifying the Boolean expression. K-map can take two forms. One is SOP and POS. SOP means sum of products, POS means product of sum. And we can fill the K-map with zeros and 1. The grids of the K-map can be filled with zeros and 1. And now I will explain how to write the K-map for 2 variables and 3 variables and 4 variables Boolean expression. Okay. Now let's take our 2 variable Boolean expression having 2 variables A and B. See, we can write the K-map for 2 variables as like this: B bar and B, and A bar and A. Vertically A bar and A, and horizontally B bar and B. And respective address means for each location we can address as for 2 variables. The location of each box we can write 0 and 1, 2, 3. This is the decimal equivalence of this K-map. And for 2, 4 and 3 variable Boolean expression having 3 variables. For 3 variables, how can we write K-map means? For example, take A, B, C as a 3 variables, and we can write K-map for these 3 variables as like this: A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, and A, B bar. And vertically, these are the fundamental products, and horizontally C bar, C. Fundamental products are nothing but meters. Fundamental products are nothing but meters, and we can write the A bar, B bar, and A bar, B, and A, B, and A, B bar as vertically, and C bar, C is horizontally. And the decimal equivalence of means each position will be addressed as like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 variable having the equation having 3 variables. Boolean expression having 3 variables, we can address like this. Each location has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 as a address. So, and these are the fundamental products. Fundamental products are nothing but midterms, and we can write means we are going to represent these fundamental products in the midterms in the form of M. This A bar B bar is written as M0, and A bar B written as M1, and A bar A B written as M2, and A B is written. Like this, we are going to write in a problem, and writing 4 variable means the Boolean expression having 4 variable. I will write the K-map for 4 variable. Let us take A, B, C, D as a 4 variables. A, B, C, D as a 4 variables. Boolean expression having 4 variables. How can we write K-map for this one? Is the structure of a K-map for having 4 variables is A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, and A, B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, and C, D. A, B means this one we want to write vertically, and this one horizontally. And the decimal equivalence of this one, the position or the address is given for each box is like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is the decimal equivalence of each, right? The grid of this K-map is means the grid means rows and columns. The location is written, the address is written as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, we need to study about the 4 variable means the Boolean expression having 4 variables. The KMAP why we need to study this because nowadays the computer systems or digital systems or small chips are using nipples means 4 decimal means 4 words 0001 example 001 or 0001. Nowadays the digital systems or chips are using nipples as a 4 inputs. 4 inputs are there, so we want to study for this one, and we must know how to write the KMAP for 4 variable or 4 input variables. Okay, means 4 inputs we want to study. And next grouping. Now I am going to explain about the grouping. Grouping has 3 types. One is pair, and second one quad, and third one arrays. Pair means adjacent ones, having 2 ones. For example, adjacent horizontally or vertically having 2 ones is a pair. And quad means having 4 adjacent ones. Example like this. This one we can make as a one group. Octet means 8 ones having adjacently or vertically or maybe horizontally. 8 ones having nearby means adjacently. Like this 1 1 1 1. We can make this one as an octet group. The preference is taken in case of grouping is first octets and second one quads, third one is pair. See, if any KMAP is given and we want to solve any problems, that time we want to make groups. That time we want to see first of all octets is present or not. Otherwise, if octet is not there, we want to go for quads. And we want to choose if quads is over, we want to choose pair. Means the preference taken is like this. And let us take one example, small example. Having 4 variable KMAP, I written already. And how means from this example we can understand clearly how to do grouping. See everybody this problem. In this problem, we have adjacent ones. Only ones. We are considering only ones. Adjacent ones having only one pair. That pair is what 2 ones. So we can make group. This is pair. First we do for octets, but no octets. And second quads only pair. So we made one group per pair, just as a pair. And for example, I will do small changes. See, now we are going to solve this one. Means we want to make groups first. See first, see for octets, and we don't have adjacent one any 8 ones, so we don't want we cannot write octets. And let's come to the quads. We have quad here 1 and here 2, and again this is the quad 1, and let's come to the pair. We have a pair. This is a grouping. Okay, and for example, if we want to see, I will give one other example. Consider a small modification I do. See, only in this case, ones are there, 8 ones are there. So adjacent ones are 8. So it is octet. We can make this one unrelated one group. From these, we want to write sum of product expression. How to write sum of product expression means, see for example, I will take this one. Otherwise, okay, I will take this one. Okay. Just consider this one. See this one, this expression. Because of this group is having this product of is fundamental products, fundamental products, and this one is 4 having fundamental products. For this group, fundamental products are this 4 and this 2. Okay, from here, see, from this vertical column, A, okay, means I will write the form of expression y is equals to A, and B to B bar means uncomplemented to complemented. If it is forming, means if it is changing the expression, we can eliminate that variable. See, B bar and B will be eliminated, and plus this fundamental products C bar, D bar, C D eliminates, C bar, C eliminates, D bar eliminates. So the equation this example. If we solve this example, we understand it's clear. Okay. Let's take our Boolean expression. Means we want to find our Boolean expression for this logic expression. Okay. Let's take y means y is equals to f of a b c d and sigma m means mean terms. 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is a mean terms that have been already given. We have to write a schema for this first one, and afterwards we want to make groups, and afterwards we want to find the Boolean expression. First write the schema. We know already how to write the structure of a schema. 1 minute. So we want to write first of all the structure of a schema. We know the structure of a schema for 4 variables. We are going to write now a bar, b bar, a b bar, a bar b, a b, and a b bar, c bar b bar, c bar b, c b, c b bar, and decimal equivalents of each position we know already. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, in the place of meters, the values which are given in the question, meters values 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In place of this one, you want to write as a 1. Remaining all space you want to write as a 0. Okay? 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In the place of that one, you want to write first of all 1. Let's take 7. First 7. In the place of 7, write 9. Place of 9. 1. 10. 1. 11. 1. 12. See here 1, 1, 13, 1, 14, 1, 15, 1. Remaining all just we want to put with the zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. See now first one there is this one now. Addresses. For our convenience, we are going to write the location addresses name 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. And after this one, we want to make movie. Let's search for objects. Do we have objects here? No. See, addresses 8 ones are not here. So we cannot take objects. Let's go to the second one, quarks. If you come to the quarks, yes, we have here one group. And here second group, and here third group, and next one the pay, and we have one pay here. This is one pay. So now we need to write expression, Boolean expression, considering the groups. Let us consider this part. First one, this one. We have a fundamental group for this one is this, and for this part, the fundamental group here is this one. Let's consider y is equals to A is a common and B bar means uncomplemented to complemented will be eliminated. So B bar and B is eliminated. And from here C bar C will be eliminated and D will be eliminated. So write D. Next. And let's come to this one. If we come to this one, the fundamental products are same things. And for this one here, these are the fundamental products. And if I take here, saying B bar B will be eliminates and A is a common. Here D bar will eliminates, C is a common. Nice. Okay, that quad expression go and let's take this part, big part. And for this one fundamental product is this. And here originally these are the fundamental products. AB, right? Here C bar, D bar, C D eliminates, C bar D and C D bar will be eliminated because C bar C eliminates, D bar eliminates. And next one is pay, small pay. For this one, fundamental products are these two, and here this one. A bar, A will be eliminates, B will be eliminates because complemented, B will be eliminates, then B, and here C. These are the final expression, Boolean expression for this example. Nowadays, in some digital circuits, the input conditions are not we are taking don't care condition as x. We are representing that one as a x. The output representation is as a x, like this. Don't care condition we are representing as x because the output and input will not be appear in some normal conditions. Because of that we are representing that one as a x. And I will explain this one by doing a small example. From this example, you can understand how to write a don't care condition. I mean, by solving this, you can understand properly. See, again, I am taking the example of 4 variable. From 4 variable, I want to solve the given question is give the simplest logic circuit for the following logic equation. Okay, you want to solve this one. First of all, you want to find the Boolean expression for this example. Afterwards, you want to write the logic circuit. And first, see the 4 variable logic. Okay, now you want to write 4 variable logic circuit, not a circuit. Sorry, 4 variable K-map. First of all, we know how to write the 4 variable K-map structure. We know the structure of the 4 variable K-map. That is C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C D, C D bar, and A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A B, and A B bar. And we know the position for each grid of each box of our K-map. For that, now I am not going to write again and again. If you people want means I will write. See, one say 100, 0, 1. Location is location address is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Mean terms. M means here mean terms. D means don't care condition. M mean terms. In place of 7, we want to fill 1. See 7 here, fill 1. Don't care condition 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In case you think in this values place, we want to write as x. See, take 10. In place of 10, we want to write x, 11x, 12x, 13, 14, 15. Write x. And the remaining all boxes with zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And start grouping. How to make grouping here means, see, original value 1. If we have any adjacent x, we can make that one as 1. And remaining all x's are made as 0. Means any original 1 value will be there. If you have in a K-map, if you have 1 original value, the adjacent to that one x we can make as a 1. For that, to make the group, we can make x here as a 1. And all another x's are remaining all x's, leaving this one as imagine as a 0. Okay. After doing this one, means we return already possible grouping. We cannot make any other groups. So the grouping is however, we want to write the expression for this one. Y is equals to the fundamental products for this group is this 2 and here this one. A bar A uncomplemented to complemented, it changes the form, so we are eliminating that one, and B is a common one, we want to write B. And here CD, BCD. BCD is the expression, Boolean expression for this question. And we want, they ask the logic circuit. How to write the logic circuit means, see, take 4 ABCD. Because of 4 variable ABCD, BCD connection with this one, we can use that as AND gate, BCD, AND gate. This is the logic circuit. Why we are taking AND gate means, see, A means here 0, A is 0, 1, 1, 1. Input for 0, 1, 1, 1 input, AND gate gives high output. Once again I am going to explain. For input of 0, 1, 1, 1, we are going to get output high. In case of AND gate, in place of AND gate, A and B, sorry, in place of AND gate, we are going to get high output for input of 0, 1, 1, 1. From this knowledge, we can solve so many problems based on this concept, based on this observation. This ends my first concept K map K map Karnaugh map. So I will end this session. Thank you, Ananda. Thank you again. I hope you learned something new. Thank you, Ananda. Thank you once again. And my second concept is Queen-Mackay method. Actually, Queen-Mackay method is used because of we can solve. Instead of K map, we have preferred for Queen-Mackay method when the Boolean expression having more than 4 variables. Like for example, 5 variables, 6 variables, like that. If I have 5 variables, we cannot solve the by K map because it is a very complex and very difficult to solve from K map method. So the Queen-Mackay method is very important in case of more than 4 Boolean expression having more than 4 variables, and you can solve easily from this method. And this method is also called as method of prime implicates. And I am going to solve this. Means I am going to solve one problem based on this concept in paper because it takes so much of time, and so that I am going to do it paper. Thank you. Let us solve one example by Queen-Mackay method. My example is simplify the following Boolean function by using Queen-Mackay method. And the equation is f of abcd is equals to summation of m of 0, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13. These are the min terms. For Queen-Mackay method, we want to write the tabular form in the form of like this: min terms and binary representation and grouping, stage 1, stage 2. Min terms are they are given m0 means 0, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, and we represented min terms in this column. And for that one, we have to write binary representation. We return for this min terms binary representation, and we need to do grouping. In grouping, we make groups depending on how many one input variable combinations have. First group has no one input combination, this one, and second group have only one input combination, and third one have 2 combination, and fourth one have 3 1 combination. And we also write decimal equivalent of each combination to their right for convenience. Combine first and second group of stage 1. The rule is to see if only one binary digit is different between 2 members, and we mark that position by space or bar. We want to see only one binary digit different between 2 members. See the consequent groups. This one compared with this one, we have only one digit difference here, 10th place, 0 and 1. So we return 0 and 2 here, and we return space bar. In the place of that one, we want to write space bar. Like that, same thing, we want to consider this one, and we want to compare this one to this one, and after grouping, and we want to compare this one here, and from this one here. Like that, we want to go by comparing and each term for every group, and like that we want to do for grouping we want to do like that, and we will get the stage 2 this like, and whether we want to check in the stage 2 whether we get all min terms or not. After stage 2 we cannot write stage 3 because we don't have any different in a binary digit form, so we can stop here on the stage 2. And after getting prime implicants, we need to minimize the number of prime implicants that covers all the min terms, so that we will write the another table, this table, and so that we can make essential min terms. To minimize the prime implicant, we are writing this table, and we have from this one b bar d bar, and we return b bar d bar and a bar c, I bar c, and here we don't have the 8 and 12 min terms and 12 13 min terms, and so we return prime implicant here. And after writing this tabular column, we tick mark for every min terms, and 8 and 10 see 8 and 10 tick mark, and like that for each and everything we have to do. And we want to see column having only one tick mark. From this column we have only one tick mark, so b bar d bar, we want to write the expression b bar d bar, and plus from here, from single one we have here single one, so we from this column single tick mark here, so we want to write a bar c written, and this is all covered. And then here already a b c bar is there, so we want to write this one. And after writing one tick mark column,
and we want to go for columns having 2 tick marks. See, in this one we have already written A bar C bar. From this one, this 2 we want to write in 1. We already covered A bar C, so we don't want to write any other expression. So after we can go for these 2 and already written B bar D bar, so we need not to write this one. And here already written A B C bar, so we need not write this one. So this completes our problem, and we get the result as B bar D bar plus A bar C plus A B C bar. This is how to solve the method, how to solve the K-map how to solve the expression using Quine-McCluskey method. If we use the K-map for this one, it takes some complicated, so we are using Quine-McCluskey method. And if you use K-map also, you will get the same answer. This ends my work and my session. Thank you so much. Thank you, Nala.